the duly elected President of the Republic of the Philippines.
And the Mr. President express again your power as a people.
Proclaim martial law of the Philippines.
You disperse the crowd without shooting.
Filipinos will see what is to love and what is to positively feel beauty and love.
Therefore, it's nothing more than democracy. I am going back to the Philippines, so be it.
Because I've always wanted to die for our country.
Walang kaibigan, walang kumpare.
Malaking karangalan ang makapaglingkod sa sambayanan bilang Pangulo. Maraming salamat.
3,840,000 ang mga kaso ng COVID-19 sa ating bansa.
Community quarantine is hereby imposed in entire of Metro Manila.
Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., the duly elected President of the Republic of the Philippines.
The new Miss Universe is Philippines.
The gold medalist of the women's 55-kilogram category.
Tol, dahil tayo. Saan? Buong Pilipinas. Tara!
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha.